TV back again. Went for a quick ride out this morning in the van because I wanted to go and see a chap who lives over near Whitby at Egton, and sadly obviously nobody thought to ring us, which is fair enough, because we went to demonstrate a scooter. Now last night the gentleman had a fall. The reason he had a fall was quite simply wearing his slippers. He'd worn them till the heels had gone really down, and one of them actually had started to wear at the side, and it's caused him a fall. He is in hospital. He has broken his hip. He's going to be in there quite some time, and that's a very sad situation when all it is the price of a pair of slippers. So keep your slippers up to date. We are going to do a series of videos, and I'm going to show you all sorts of different types of product that you can use in and around the home that will help you not to fall. Falling is very painful. You know, we all get to a certain age where if you fall over, it's just going to hurt. A lot of people end up in hospital, so not only is it costing everybody a lot of money, the health service and everybody, and it's all for the price of just a pair of slippers, a walking frame, whatever you need for around the house. So we will be doing a series of things. I'm going to be asking a member of our family who actually is a senior physio what sort of things we should be putting online for you to see, and demonstrating so that you can see how they all work. By all means, take advice from your OTs and the physios. We insist that you probably do that. We don't want to sell you the wrong thing, but we do want to sell you the right thing for the right reason. So thanks for your time. Remember, we have a full range of shoes and slippers, and we will be doing a series of videos for you to look at. Thank you.